Number 1. Cosori 9-in-1 Turbo Blaze. Air Fryer 6 Cute. Tired of greasy pans and lingering deep fryer smells? Struggling with unevenly cooked food in cold centers? Long cooking times, crowding your busy weeknight dinners? Cleaning sticky baskets and stubborn oil stains takes forever. Small appliances can't handle family portions or meal prep. The Turbo Blaze 5-speed airflow delivers rapid, even heat circulation. Precise 90 to 450 to 80 of control ensures perfect texture every time. Premium ceramic coating is non-stick, durable, and dishwasher safe. 6-quart square basket fits family meals, saves countertop space. Quieter motor under 53 dB creates a peaceful kitchen environment. Auto resume safety pauses when basket removed. Resumes previous settings. Customizable preheat optimizes results or skips for convenience. Enjoy crispy favorites using up to 95% less oil. Faster cook times mean more family dinners on busy nights. Dishwasher safe parts and included recipe book simplify cooking and cleanup. Number 2. Ninja Air Fryer 4-in-1 Pro Air Fry. Roast, reheat, dehydrate. Reason 1. Ultra crispy results with 400-degree out of air crisp technology. Reason 2. Family size 5 QT basket fits up to 4 pounds. Reason 3. Healthier frying with up to 75% less fat. Air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate. 4 versatile cooking functions. Crisp frozen fries and snacks in minutes. No soggy disappointments. Non-stick basket and crisper plate make cleanup fast and simple. Space-saving compact design fits small counters without sacrificing capacity. Program temperatures up to 400 degrees for perfect searing and crisping. Feeds families quickly. Cook up to 4 pounds of fries. Included recipe guide gives inspiration for fast, delicious weeknight meals. PFAS-free non-stick keeps health-conscious cooks feeling confident and safe. Perfect for busy families, apartment cooks, and meal prep enthusiasts. From crispy snacks to full meals, it handles every craving. Ready to upgrade your kitchen? Tap to learn features and deals. Buy now or save to wish list. Cook smarter today. Number 3. Cuisinart Air Fryer 2.6 quart compact basket fryer. Tired of greasy takeout that leaves you feeling heavy and guilty? Small kitchens cluttered with bulky appliances and limited counter space. Long cook times ruin weeknight plans and waste precious time. Uneven crisping makes homemade fries soggy instead of satisfyingly crunchy. Cleaning greasy baskets is annoying after every indulgent meal. Air Advantage hot air technology delivers crispy results with little to no oil. Compact 2.6 quart basket fits complete meals for 1 to 2. 3 presets, French fries, wings, frozen snacks. Make cooking foolproof and fast. Toss reminder prompts a mid-cook flip for perfectly even crisping. Viewing window lets you monitor progress without disturbing the cook. Adjustable temperature up to 400 degrees and 1100 watts for performance. Dishwasher safe. Removable basket makes cleaning up quick and totally hassle-free. Enjoy healthier, crispy meals that satisfy your comfort food cravings. Perfect for busy professionals and health-conscious cooks. Saves time. Space-saving stainless design complements countertops. Reliable 3-year limited warranty. Number 4. Cosori Air Fryer Pro 9-in-1. Compact 5 QT. 450 degrees. Sunset rush. Backpacks dropped. Fridge empty. Dinner dilemma begins. I promised a healthy meal, but time betrayed me then. I remembered a compact kitchen hero waiting unseen. Cosori Air Fryer Pro. 5-quart sleek ceramic nonstick basket. Up to 450 degrees. Cooks up to 50% faster. Juice. Locks, seals flavor. Crispy outside, tender inside. Every time. 9 one-touch programs handle steak, chicken, seafood, veggies effortlessly. Square 5-quart basket fits 2 to 3 family servings. Patented air whisper technology keeps noise below 55 decibels. VSync app provides 130 plus guided recipes with nutrition. Ceramic coating, dishwasher safe basket. 1 wipe, effortless cleanup. I preheated. Set timer. Watched juicy aromas fill kitchen. Dinner served in minutes. Kids cheering. Parents high-fiving, healthy, flavorful meals without guilt. Less oil, more life. Bring home Kosori Pros today. Fast, quiet, family approved. Number 5. Chefman TurboFry Touch Air Fryer XL8 Cute Family Size. Make family dinners crispy, healthy, and ready in minutes. Busy? Weeknight? Feed 4 to 6 without frying in oil. Chefman TurboFry Touch delivers XL8 QT capacity for families. Crispy results using up to 98% less oil. Healthier meals. One-touch digital presets for fries, chicken, fish, and meat. LED shake reminder ensures even crisping every single batch. Precise temperature control from 200 to 400 degrees for perfect results. 1700 watts power heats fast, cooks dinner quickly and evenly. Intelligent shutoff pauses heating when opened, resumes when closed. Dishwasher safe non-stick basket and tray make cleanup effortless. Sleek stainless steel design fits counters without taking too much space. CETL approved with advanced safety tech and 1-year warranty. Perfect for health-conscious families, busy cooks, and meal preppers. Imagine fries, chicken, veggies, crispy fast and guilt-free. Upgrade your kitchen today. Try Chefman TurboFry Touch now.